So yun guys, it's me once again, Tender GC. And it's Sunday today, and have a blessed day to each and every one of you. So I'm here now in bridge, or this what we call the wheelhouse. So kasama ko ngayon dito si third officer. Ayan. Sir, baka may gusto kayong shoutout?
O sa lahat ng mga kuhan dyan. Mga lablab pantigang dyan. Mabuhay kayo.
And ang ating pinakamabait na mayor, Yor, si Sarah Jeremy. Yan. Medyo busy siya ngayon. And no comment daw. So in today's video, we are going to undergo the test regarding for the GMDSS. This one is on the SOLAS regulation, no? Yung chapter 4, or yung tinatawag nating radio communications. So, kaka-discuss lang din sa akin ni third to ngayon itong tinatawag nating MFHF and yung INMC terminal unit, or what we call the Inmarsat C. So, first thing first, mag-i-start muna tayo dito sa GMDSS portable VHF. So, tatlo siya kasi naka-include siya dun sa tinatawag nating SOLAS regulation, just like what I've said a while ago. So, what we need to do is kunin lang natin siya dito. Ayan. Here. Dalawa. And tatlo. So, sa pag-open nito, may makikita kayong button dito on the top of this equipment. No, ayan. May makikita kayong button na power on and off. So, click nyo lang to. Push nyo lang. Ayan. So, automatically, dadirect siya sa channel 16. So, next naman natin, itong isa. So, diagnostic test lang din siya. Ayan. Tinirignan natin kung yung portable VHF natin, yung very high frequency, if properly working. Ayan. So, in our case, these 3 portable VHF are properly working. Loud and clear, third.
Please change to channel 10.
Okay, channel 10. Third, did you check?
Loud and clear, loud and clear. I detect, correct.
Loud and clear, also third.
Okay, thank you.
Hanggang third. So yun guys, as you can see, we have been exchanging of communication between third officer. So if the portable VHF na ginamit natin and yung nasa VHF na tabi ng ating ECDIS, or yung tinatawag nating electronic chart display information system, ayan. So gumana siya, properly working. So yun yung ginagawa natin daily. So para malaman natin kung itong mga navigational equipment natin, like this portable VHF, so in terms of communication, is properly working. So para hindi magkaroon tayo ng aberya during this cargo operation, or kung sakali mang mag-undergo tayo ng mga emergency drills. Okay? So yun nga guys, regarding dito sa tinatawag nating wait lang. So yun guys, regarding dito sa tinatawag nating portable VHF that is under by the GMDSS, o yung Global Maritime Distress and Safety System. So, just like what I've said a while ago, no, nagkaroon kami ng exchanging of information between third officer. So, pinalipat niya ako sa channel 10, no? Galing kami from channel 16. So, what you need to do on how to operate this change of channeling. Okay, so buksan muna natin siya. Ayan. So, from 16 here, okay, may dalawa tayong button dito na up and down. So, kapag itong up, tataas yan. Ibig sabihin, third officer wants the channel 16 going up. So, kung sakali naman na galing kayo ng channel 16, tulad sa amin kanina, then pinatransfer kami, o pinatransfer niya ako from channel 10. So, what you need to do is just bring down. Ayan. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Ayan. So, ganun lang magpalit ng channel. So, I hope na nag-gets nyo or nakakuha kayo ng idea on how to change the channel in terms of communication. Okay?